Hi guys, my name is Jovin. In today's video, I am going to share with you 3 practical steps to actually start making money and change your entire life. Notice that these 3 steps I'm going to share with you also applies to other aspects of your life, be it your business, your marriage, your relationship, and even your career. These 3 steps also applies to these areas of your life. So before we start, please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Kindly hit that bell notification so that you will not miss any of my weekly videos. And let's get into it. So step number 1, learn the crafts of actually making money. Learn the crafts of actually making money. That is step number 1. Let me explain. See, money will never come to you except you learn how to actually start making money. You can only make money, or you can only have money when you actually learn how to start making money. That is when you will have money. If you've not learned how to make money, don't expect to have money, because money will never come to you. And for that to happen, the first thing you need to do is to discover your area of interest. Discover what you are interested in first. Don't try to be everywhere. Try to discover what you are really interested in and then go into that. You also need to be focused. You don't need to be distracted by other things. Let's say, for example, you choose to do affiliate marketing, or maybe you want to be a freelancer. Focus wholeheartedly on freelancing. Don't try to combine freelancing with affiliate marketing and also YouTubing. Try to combine these side hustles or businesses or these things that you want to do will make the work more hectic for you. Again, you may not have the time, the energy, and even the resources to do all that it takes for you to be successful in all of these areas. So try to be focused on one thing. Learn all that it takes for you to be successful in this one thing, and then go ahead. Avoid distractions. Endeavor to learn all that it takes for you to be successful in that thing that you've chosen to do. If it requires asking questions, you can ask questions. Maybe you can also read books on what you have chosen to do. You can listen to audios recorded about what you've chosen to do. You can also decide to watch videos about what you've chosen to do. Make sure that you gather enough information about what you've chosen to do and focus on it until you hit your desired targets. That is number 1. Let's talk about number 2. So the second practical step to start making money and change your entire life is work on what you have learned. Work on what you have learned. And this is where the real success lies. For you to be really successful, you have to work on what you have learned. The application of what you've learned is a crucial step for you to achieve your desired aim. Otherwise, the time, the effort that you've put in to learning will amount to nothing, because you will not achieve anything if you fail to apply what you've learned. Also, creativity is key in applying what you've learned. You need to be a little creative. And for that to happen, try to see what others who are successful in your industry have done. Try to emulate the example of others who are successful in your industry. Try to copy what they have done. Make sure that you try your best to do what you've seen them doing. Follow the examples. Try to compete with them. Even if you are not able to beat them or outsmart them, follow their steps. Do what they are doing. In doing this, you may not be able to, beat them, but this process will help you to be among the top best in your industry, and that is how your success will continue. So even though you may not be able to beat them, but certainly you will be able to be ranked among the top best in your industry if you try to follow the example or try to copy what other successful persons in your industry are doing. If you try to follow the example, you'll be ranked among the top best in your industry. This is how you replicate their success and become one of the best in your industry also. And that is how money will continue to locate you and flow to your pockets, even without your knowledge. So like I said previously, don't try to be everywhere. If you've chosen to do a particular thing, focus on that thing. Except you discover that bringing in another thing will enhance the other side hustle or the other type of job you've chosen to do. That is when you can now combine. But if you choose to do this and do that and then try to be everywhere, you see that you will not be able to succeed in any of them. So the main point here is that you need to focus on something. Choose one thing that you want to do. Focus on it wholeheartedly until you hit your desired success. That is how to record success in any area of life you've chosen to venture into. So the third practical steps we want to talk about is avoid beating the process. In other words, we can say don't cut corners. Do things the right way. See, a lot of people give in to the temptation of cutting corners when they start a particular side hustle or start a particular job or career. And this will actually lead them to getting penalized. So to be successful, it is actually important for you to avoid cutting corners. Do things the right way, the way it is expected to be done. Even if what you are doing is not able to earn you money right away, continue to do it the right way and avoid cutting corners. Don't give in to the temptation of looking for shortcuts or beating the process. Focus on what you've chosen to do. Give your best. If it requires asking questions, you are free to ask. Make sure that you ask the necessary question, ask the right question, and the right answers will be given to you. And at the end, you will hit the desired target. So stay focused, give your best, and your desired target will surely come. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't fail to hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop new video like this on my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Cheers.